In this video, I will show you how to disable Steam notifications. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To disable notifications, as you can see, we're currently here on Steam. I'm logged into the app. What you want to do first, once you're logged in, is come up to the top left hand corner and click onto Steam just up here. Then from this menu that comes up, just come down and click on settings to bring up your settings window. What you now want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side, look for notifications, go ahead and give that a click, and this way you can come to actually disable notifications. You can see we've got two different sections. We've got friend notifications at the top and Steam notifications underneath. So you can actually choose what kind of notifications you want to disable. So for example, for friend notifications, if you want to disable a notification when a friend joins the game, simply come over to the right hand side and turn this switch off which says show toast. You can also change it to just play a sound instead of displaying a notification, or completely disable the toast and sound notification. Scrolling down further to the Steam notification section, you can see that you can be notified via the bell, by toast or mobile phone when, and then you've got your options here. So it's the same sort of process, so you can see there's different options. For example, a friend invitation notification, you can go ahead and turn this off or on. When you receive a gift, you can choose whether to receive notifications or not. And if you actually come to the right of these options, you can see we've got these arrows. If we actually go ahead and give this a click, you can disable this for specifically the Steam client or the mobile app. So you've got some further customization there. So that is how to disable Steam notifications. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.